Okay, so now we have to create a new XR rig. I already deleted mine, but if you control click on your current XR rig and go ahead and hit delete to get rid of it because we don't need it. And what we need is a new, the newer XR rig. So I'm going to control click here, go to XR and pick XR rig action based. You could also go up to game object, XR rig action based, right? And it puts it in your hierarchy. And this is our camera. So right here with it selected, the first thing I have to do is kind of come over here and say, well, what's our tracking origin mode, device or floor? I'm going to say, I'll say device and leave it at that. I'm not sure. I'd have to test these. I haven't gotten this far in the testing of it to which one's better. But what's really important is that I need to add in a component. Yep, and I'm going to start typing in input, and I'm going to look for an input action manager. Great. And so now I have this input action manager, and you'll probably see it like this. So I need to change this action assets to so that we have at least one action asset, and that'll, when we open it, then we'll see this. And I'm going to click this little target symbol, and by default you should only see this XRI default file and this none, so let's double click on that to do that. Now if we go look at the XR rig and open it up, you'll see we have this camera offset. Open that up. We have the main camera, left hand controller, right hand controller. If we were to run this and play this right now, the controllers wouldn't work at all. You'd be able to look around, but it wouldn't be working very well. So let's do the controllers. So I have to take this left hand controller, and you'll see this XR controller right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove that. That's kind of an old thing. And what I am going to do is I'm going to be in my project here. I'm going to search for XRI default. And what I'm looking for is these files here. And what I want is the one that is left controller preset. So I'm going to make sure I select my left hand controller. I know it's this one right here. Drag it there. That's set up. Do the same thing to the right hand controller. Remove the XR controller. Find your right hand controller, which I know is this one, and there it is there. And now you can go ahead and test out your scene so that you can see that you can look around, and you'll have these little laser beams out of your controller hands. And how do we do that? We go to File, Build and Run, and we've set it up to build already. So that is how you would do that.